And notwithstanding the fact that I do make a living with cameras in the courtroom, that's certainly part of my job here, is commenting on those issues. But at the end of the day, in this day and age, with the proliferation of media and the way we're going, I think courts need to take a second look at this issue. This judge is, it was problematic in the Daybell case. Here, again, Neama, I think we can, to me, this is what voir dire is for. Finding impartial jurors, regardless of this. I know there's competing constitutional interests, but your thoughts on this issue and how a judge might go in this case?
Well, Michael, I agree with you completely. I mean, there's a presumption that trials in this country are open to the public. Documents filed are public documents. So I believe there should be cameras in the courtroom. I believe there should be cameras in federal court, but obviously that's not happening, at least not anytime soon. But, from a strategy perspective, sometimes when you're defending these cases, you're not thinking about the jury necessarily. You're thinking about appeal. I mean, we talked about that in the Peterson case before the break. But in a case like this, if you're trying to save Bryan Kohberger's life and you're his lawyer, you're going to put up every possible roadblock you can because you're looking down the road. You're looking at the potential appeal. This is, of course, very likely going to be a death penalty case. And we know that when there's a death sentence, you're much more likely to get that overturned on appeal than you're able to convince a death penalty qualified panel not to actually issue a death sentence.